as we turn right here on Decay Street, we're actually going to be on the light rail tracks. It's important to remember that the light rail cars down here will behave like regular cars. We can still turn right on the right here, by the way. Let's make sure it's safe. Okay, we're good. So we can see, obviously, we're on the tracks now. Okay. So if the train shows up in your rear view, don't panic. He's going to behave like a car, I promise. As we're on the tracks and you start to see big yellow sections or big raised platforms up there, stop here, stop here, stop here, stop here, and go. This is going to be one of the stops for the train. So obviously, if we're seeing things like that, we need to be prepared for the train to stop as well. Okay. Turn left here. And earlier we talked about one-way streets. Just follow it out to the right there. Very good. One of the things that we have to be careful of with one-way streets, though, is that one-ways can go to two-ways and two-ways can go to one-ways. And that's what's happening right here. We have to turn right at this light because the rest of 12th Street down there is a one-way street. So turning right here. Also kind of a weird situation here. We actually have to yield here. So just wait for this to turn green. And as it turns green, those cars have the right of way. Inch forward a little bit. Just a little bit more, a little bit more. And when we get out into the intersection a little bit, that's it. Okay, keep creeping out there. Keep moving. That's it. Now go ahead and go. Go ahead and go. Just make sure to stay to the right side. Good.